Wenzhou Kangjing Optics Company Limited with self-owned brand, Forever Eyewear, is a leading factory in Wenzhou, China. We specialize in manufacturing reading glasses, sunglasses, and optical frame. We have self-owned factories and 5 partner factories. Our product capacity is 500,000 PCS per month. We are also professional in eyewear research and development. Our R&D team launches 30 new models every month. We work with clients from all over the world, mainly located in Europe and the USA. So far, we have achieved CE, BSCI, GRS, ISO 13485. We focus on customers' requirements, quality control, and get a high reputation among our clients. We actively attend the domestic Canton Fair, China-Hong Kong Fair, Silmo Fair, and Maido Fair to capture the popular element and trend in order to provide our clients the latest designs for their markets. We look forward to establishing a long-term business partnership with you, and warmly welcome to visit our factory.